In the recent release, you will find two new user interface settings. Both settings can be adjusted on the plugin level, panel level, space level, or each area level. These settings are element size and elements border radius. Element size has three options: medium, small, and extra small. Border radius also has medium, small, or none. It's basically square borders. If you set element size on the plugin level or border radius on the plugin level, it will set these options on all panels, all spaces. So for example, I want by default my plugin to have small spacing and elements, and I want to have square borders all over. As you can see, it all changed to square borders, and gaps and elements themselves are smaller. So now I can change for each panel to have different settings. For example, I want to leave this panel as it is, but here I want to change this panel to have not plugin settings, but medium. As you can see, all spaces now have medium size, but borders are still square. Now I can change each space separately. For example, I want to change filters to have extra small elements, and let's say I want to have medium borders. So these changed. Let's click OK. This space now has extra small sizes and rounded medium borders. Other spaces still have the same square borders. If I go to edit, I can also edit each area. Let's change this row. If I want to have medium borders in this row, you can see it changed. And element size, I want to have this row small. This row changed, but other rows remained. Also, you can change a single button, right click and select border radius. For example, I want here large. Okay. Now you can see large borders for a single button and square borders for others. The same works for tabs. If I get to edit a tab and I change border radius, you can see everything in this tab changed, and tab itself. As this update allows you to customize your panel even more, I hope you will like it, and thank you for using.